In this brief video, I'm going to show you, the college counselors, how to use the StoryBrand Framework questionnaire and ChatGPT to produce quality web copy that students can use on the website that houses their passion project. That was a mouthful, but that's what we're going to be doing. So you can see right here that I have ChatGPT opened. I'm using the free version, ChatGPT 3.5. So to do this, I need two things. One, I need the questionnaire. Okay, so this is a questionnaire that a student filled out. You can see that they filled everything out right here. And then two, I also need the instructions that I'm going to give ChatGPT to build the landing page, or to build the web copy for the landing page. So I've got all that right here. It's kind of cobbled together pretty haphazardly, but it doesn't really matter just as long as the instructions are clear. So you can use these instructions, you can just copy and paste it into the prompt yourself. Remember that ChatGPT is constantly being iterated. It's kind of a new animal. So you may find that this prompt may not work exactly how you may use it one week, works great. The next week, based on the machine learning and the AI learning more things, may react differently to it, but it's fine with a couple of tweaks. You can get it to produce what you want. So I'm going to copy and paste all of this. I also have some meta instructions for everything for ChatGPT. So I tell it, you are an expert web copywriter. Use the answers to the questionnaire to create the web copy using the instructions below. Don't rewrite the instructions, just follow them so that I can copy and paste the information into the website. So I'm going to copy and paste all of this. And let's see what happens. We're going to take this here, copy it into ChatGPT. Let's see what happens. Okay, so already this is looking pretty good. Again, you can goof around and tweak the way that it's wording the response from the prompt, but here we go. So we've got our H1 heading right here, connecting with nature. Beneath the heading, a question about the site's content. Okay, in today's digital age, looks like it repeated the instructions. That's fine, you can just cut that out. In today's digital age, high school students often find themselves indoors and stressed. It's time to break free from the virtual world and rediscover the wonders of nature. Heading 2, discover a world beyond screens. All right, so it's doing well. So I would go through all this with your student, make sure that the text is representing them in a way that's true to what they're trying to get the project to do. And then you can copy and paste the text that they approve into their website or into their Google site, which next video that you'll see is a tutorial on how to get your students to use Google Sites. It's a nice free platform they can use to house their passion projects, and we will go to that point. Best of luck and happy counseling.